There is a general belief in society that first impressions are the most important. But what does it actually mean? What are we referring to when we talk about first impressions? Of course, we are talking about the way in which an individual person is viewed during the first few moments of meeting them for the first time. The person you are meeting will look at you very closely. They will listen to what you say. They will scrutinize your every action. To scrutinize means to look closely or carefully at something. So when meeting someone for the first time, it is most likely that you will be scrutinized. Of course, this situation will work mutually if all the people involved have never met each other before. In that situation, they will all be scrutinizing each other in the same way. First impressions include the way a person appears, how they are dressed. The type of body language used is also very important when meeting someone for the first time. Every action you make will be observed carefully. The way you speak, the words you use will also form part of that first impression. First impressions during certain social interactions are very important. For example, if you are attending a job interview, it is important that you make a good first impression. Those first few moments as you introduce yourself are quite possibly the most important seconds of the whole interview. Many employers often admit that within the first few moments of meeting a candidate for a job, they have already decided whether or not the person is suitable for the vacant position. So it would appear that the first impressions are important, meaning that it is always best to try and leave a good impression after the meeting has ended. One individual might ask another what their first impressions are of another person. You might ask for someone's opinion about whether or not a certain individual is suitable for that particular position. Maybe you are meeting the parents of your girlfriend or boyfriend for the first time. Once more, those first impressions you make will be the ones that the parents will discuss later after you have left. So as you can see in life, we are always being judged in some way, especially when we are meeting someone for the first time. So maybe the expression is correct. That first impression you make on another person can be the difference between success and failure.